as the old captain used to say, he said, I played cricket, he said, I played football, he said, I've played skittles, he said, and I've done bell ringing. And he said, the camaraderie in bell ringing is superior to everything.
My brother rings, my sister rings, and my nephews and nieces ring.
My dad rings, my uncles ring, my aunties ring, grandparents ring.
When I first saw people ringing, I was so inspired to learn how the bells worked.
You've got a musical instrument on a piece of rope 60 feet away from you that you have to get to strike exactly at the right time with 5 other ringers.
It's an age-old tradition and it's starting to die out.
We have such a long tradition in this tower. 1480 is our first mention, so I don't want to be the one that drops the baton.